Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Green Kitchen. Today, we'll be making a scrumptious dish with chickpea flour that yields a texture similar to Milanese-style cutlets. It's a quick and healthy recipe that's sure to impress your friends and family. To prepare them, let's start with the chickpea flour. Pour 160 grams of chickpea flour into a bowl along with a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of paprika, and a pinch of cumin. Mix everything together and add a tablespoon of cornstarch to make the final result a bit softer. Then, add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and 120 milliliters of room temperature water. Mix well, and within a short time, we should obtain a batter of this consistency. Take a heaping tablespoon of the mixture and transfer it onto a plate filled with breadcrumbs. Coat the mixture well on both sides and gently press it with your hands to shape it, being careful not to break it. In the end, we'll get something like this. Now, heat up some extra virgin olive oil in a pan. Place our cutlets in the pan and cook them on each side until we see that they are cooked enough, then flip them. You'll need to judge for yourself how long to cook them, as it depends on your stove. Once they're ready, transfer them onto a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. To serve them, I suggest dressing them with some lemon juice, which will make them even more delicious. And here are our chickpea cutlets. Personally, I paired them with two sides, a delicious salad for the first and some incredibly tasty homemade fries for the second. Even though they may not look like it, the fries aren't actually fried, but they taste like they are. Let me know what you think of this recipe, and to not miss out on our upcoming videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. We'll see you back here on the Green Kitchen channel in our next video.